Oh look, something new. Been looking for one of these for a while, but they're pretty hard to come by. And I've never seen one in this green before. This avocado green, I think is what they called it. I've honestly never seen one in this green before. I've got that Lakewood right over here, the big one here, but I've never seen the 14X in that size. Got a good deal on this on eBay today. Ended up winning the auction. I only paid $30 for it, no shipping. It was just up in Milwaukee, so I just took a day trip up there. Only about a 40-mile drive. Met the seller, had myself a nice lunch, and did some thrifting. Picked this up. Let's unpackage it a little. I don't know why they wrapped it up. I think they figured they were going to be shipping it, but before I bid on the auction, I contacted the seller and asked if they minded if I win, which I did, if I could do a local pickup to save myself shipping, because their shipping price was listed as a flat rate shipping economy, $21, which is just a pretty generic price. I could see this costing $21 to ship, but why pay that to ship it when I just live in the area? The thing that I really liked about it too is that it has the metal stand with it, which appears to be in good shape. There we go. So it does lock. So these keep it from tilting. Ooh, cord's off. Must have wound this cord around here a dozen times. I see. I'm not even sure who sold these in olive green or avocado green or whatever color this is. Kind of like an olive green to me. I think they're from the same era. I'm not 100% sure. Because this has the later Lakewood switch, but it has the earlier screwed down Lakewood handle. It's only a 2-speed, so it's not a 3-speed. Single piece motor mount. The horizontal mount, not the vertical mounts that some of the Kmart versions have. Plastic blades, which appear to be in good shape. Turns freely. They said it works, so I'm going to take their word for it. Cord's in good shape. See if it works. They said it did. I'm going on their word. Oh, works just fine. Actually, quite an air mover too. Wow. I see why my dogs were sniffing it so much. It stinks. Ooh, this actually really smells like animal. Whew. It smells like cats. Not like cat urine or anything like that, but you can tell it was in a house with animals, but it doesn't smell dirty. Definitely needs a really good cleaning though. Really like the color. Other than being dirty, it's in good shape. I think for the $30 I paid for it, it's nice. There's not much pitting on the chrome of the stand. All the rubber feet are intact. Looks like the fan's never actually been off its stand either, I'd say. Cool. Finally have a 14X, and I even have it in a cool color too. I've never seen one in this color. Usually they're in blue. Blue or like peach color. Cool. I'll make another video on it in a little bit after it's cleaned. I'll make a before and an after video.